What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez Guy here on the Pez Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, what do I make a video on? I have all of this Pez in front of me. I know. Let's do these. 2 plus 12 equals 14. And that is your math lesson for the day. So until next... Whoa. Hold on a minute. So, to show you some different variations, here is a type of candy. Here is a type of candy. Both available in these boxes. So apparently it was a transition period. And here we see Donald and Daisy and Mickey and Minnie. But the cool thing about Minnie in here, she has a very light blue stem. Now I would open these, but they're... Okay, let's open them up. Why not? Oh, because there's a sticker on here. Is there a sticker on there? Ugh. It's not wanting to... Is it taped? There we go. No, it is not. Ha 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 ha. There we go. Uh-oh. Whoa! Knocking stuff down. Okay, there we see Minnie with her light blue stem. This is the only way that you can obtain this dispenser. To my knowledge, I don't think she was ever released on a single card. And there you see. Patent number, no country. Because these are European release, and it should be the same with Mickey. Sure is. So, the only way you can obtain these European release dispensers is through these boxes. So if you do not have this Minnie, now you know how to obtain her. Awesome add to your collection. So until next time...